Hi, everybody. My name is Clarissa Chan. I am from Daly City, California, up in Northern California, and I graduated in 2017 with a major in Human Bio and Society and a minor in Global Studies. The biggest unique thing is that Human Bio and Society is basically what it sounds like. It's human biology, so everything that you love about sciences and biology, and also talking a lot about sociology and how that plays a role in how science is conducted. So we talk a lot about genetics, we talk about ethics, and those are some things that I didn't know coming in that I was really interested in because I did think I was pre-med, but going into, I think the intro sociology class, my first quarter at UCLA, I was like, whoa, I want to learn more about this. It's a little out of my comfort zone, but that's like what's so exciting about it. So I'm super glad that I found something that melded the two together. Back when I took it, so I graduated in 2017, there was actually limited spots getting into the major. So you had to take all the prerequisites and then you would apply your second year, and then there would only be so many spots to get in. So you had to make sure that your grades were pretty good when you applied for Human Bio and Society. I don't think it's that much of a problem as long as, you know, you're keeping up with your studies. But in terms of material, I think that it's refreshing, but because it's more humanities, you also are reading pretty dense stuff. So definitely be on the lookout for more readings than if you were just hard science. The biggest thing that I would say is AAP. So if for anybody that doesn't know, it's the Academic Advancement Program, and they work wonders. So my roommate was actually in AAP and did the early like move-in thing where they will like prepare you for school if you are a first year. So then that's kind of how I heard about it. And then I had second year friends that said they do free tutoring. So I was a little nervous taking chem for the first time in college. And yeah, I just filled out an application. It's completely free for anybody to get tutored by your peers. And it's so awesome because they give you worksheets and they actually teach you. So you get re-taught the things that the professors teach you that might not have made sense the first time. And it keeps you kind of accountable, and you kind of like think about, oh, I didn't know this as well as I thought I did, or I have to do it right now. So it kind of forces you to study on time too. There is no job search. I'm in a 4-year osteopathic medical school program in Touro University. There's like, oh, a little flag right there for my school. So I'm up in Northern California. You can work while you're in medical school, but it's advised not to because we're studying so many hours of the day. Unless you're kind of like working in the library and studying, doing a work study a couple hours. Most people know what an MD is, medical doctor, but there's newer programs out there called osteopathic medical schools, and then your title will be DO, but you're perfectly, completely licensed to do everything an MD does. It's a little newer, so they're also more progressive. The pros with that, yeah, it's a little more progressive, and then also you get hands-on training. So the hands-on part, you're actually learning some things that are similar to what chiropractors do, such as like the back cracking. We don't like to call it that, but that's what gets everybody interested, or like soft tissue. So it's kind of cool. You can do hands-on techniques and get comfortable without any medicine. So you can use it complementary to medicine, which is super cool. And if anybody is thinking about physical therapy or like rehabilitation, that's something I totally recommend. Even if you don't want to go into those specialties as a medical doctor, if I was entering human bio and society, or if you're just a pre-human bio and society, don't think you have to make your decision right away. I remember that when I first got into orientation, I was like, oh my gosh, what major do I get into? I have to pick right now what I want to do, or else I can't switch. But in all honesty, like the general biology, psychobiology, human bio and society, even if you're the pre-major, they all have this pretty much the same classes. So don't freak out, just like enjoy the classes. If you want to explore a certain major, maybe you just want to have idea before second year so that you know when you apply, like to get all the prereqs done. But yeah, don't sweat it. And also make sure you're taking classes that you actually like. So if you are, the goal is that you want to learn as much as possible and the things that interest you. So consider like everything that interests you, and if they check a prereq off the box, that's even better. So try to go for those two goals instead of, I have to take this. Every pre-med in the world is taking this, so I have to do it too. No, it doesn't work that way. Just take whatever you'd like. Because college is the time where you're learning about what you like, and you want to be sure when you go into a field in the long run that you actually enjoy what you're doing.